Guys, welcome my channel. Today I show how to remove this old stair, make a new one. Then I use this stick to make a new staircase like this one. First step, I need to make sure the height. Okay. The height is 130 inches. I make sure the total length is about 143 inches. Okay. Okay. Now I show the step total height is 130 inches and total is 16 steps. Each step is 1.8 inches and the length is 145 inches. The total 15 steps. Each step is 9.5 inches. Now I need to mark that the height is A1A and add this one to 1A. And this the length is 9.5 inches and I add mark here. And here's the line. You mark here. The next step, you pull it up. Here. And okay, you see, this is the line. Just this line. Now I use the circular saw to cut it. Then use the loader to loading it will easy. I adjust 1/2 inch. Then you see the dip is 1/2 inch. Now I finished the loading. This is the first stop. I need to cut it. This is the bottom. I measure the height is A1A, and you must add, if the floor thinner is 3/4 inch, you add 3/4 inch the floor. Now this is the top one, the second floor. I need to cut it. I stop here. This is the finished floor. Here you subject. The floor is 3/4 inch. You subject 3/4 inch. Đi ui ăn thì các bạn này, cấp ui rồi. Xong ốm này. Hả? Đó là. Mà lấy người. Đấy, hơi đó, thế.